Darling, are you leaving?
Yes, anything.
I asked you to give me money to complete the baby things I couldn't buy in the market the other day.
What about the 130,000 naira I gave to you?
130,000?
Yes.
Ha! That's a forgotten issue.
How?
Baby things are very expensive in the market. So I couldn't buy the baby's bed. So I don't need much this time. Just 50,000 naira.
Vera, you're very extravagant.
Eh?
You are so extravagant.
Extra what?
Vagant.
No, come again. Extra what?
Vagant.
I'm extravagant because I asked you to give me ordinary 50,000 naira to buy your own baby's things. So, eh? Why are you always disgracing yourself in this house? Each time I ask you for little money like this. Why?
Do you know what? I don't have money to give to you now. I will not do it.
You're a big liar. Asiocha. Yes! You think I didn't see you last night? I saw you counting huge amount of money. Ifumo Zubomia. But I already seen you. Yes, I saw you. So give me the money.
So every night you'll be meandering to see who is counting money.
Give me the money. What is it? You know I'm pregnant. I don't have strength to do this. Unless you want to hurt our baby. Give me the money.
Then respect yourself. Stop this.
Give me the money, people.
Can I pass, please? You know you're pregnant. Can I pass? Huh? Excuse me.
Give me the... Please, you know I'm pregnant. Do you want to hurt our baby? Give me the money. That money you were counting. Got that 50 or 100,000. Give me. The baby.
Sorry,
the baby.
What?
The baby.
Then respect yourself.
Give me the money.
Respect yourself.
Give me the money. Even the baby needs the money. Eh? Give me the money.
It's okay when I come back.
No.
Oh.
You hurt this baby. You hurt this baby. Give me the money.
The way you said, "Tell me I'm like, you're pregnant already."
You know where you are.
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.